Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Darissa Rain, aka Riri, and I love BoxyCharm! This is the month of March, so of course it is BoxyLuxe month. If you do not know about BoxyCharm with BoxyLuxe, this ends up being $50 every 3 months. So I really love getting the BoxyLuxe because of course it falls on my birthday month. Then it falls again on my mama's birthday month and Christmas. I'm just saying. And you guys have heard me preach and preach and preach about the OG Ipsy being worth, you know, the bang for your buck. I also feel like BoxyCharm is the biggest bang for your buck. I've tried many sub boxes and I always will purchase this one unless I just don't have the money to get it. So you guys know I do not get any spoilers. I have not even taken the tape off of this bad boy yet. It is an odd shape. So yeah, I did read because of course I'm friends with so many people that do unboxings. A lot of people putting Fenty X box, so I'm assuming that it's Fenty based or there's Fenty something in here. Aside from that, I do not know anything. And you guys would have already seen this look. In case anyone is asking, I will put the video right here. I'm nervous. I always get nervous because I definitely want to always get like my bang for my buck. You know what I mean? I don't want to feel like I'm getting sub boxes and literally not using anything in them. Hence me canceling so many last year. So first thing on top is something that I'm already uber freaking excited about because it's lemons. This is a When Life Gives You Lemons Put On Blush. Yes, honey. It is a limited edition designed blush. By who? Am I dumb? Oh, by Elizabeth Mott. You guys, the packaging. You guys know I love lemons. Like anything that tastes like lemons, anything lemon related, I freaking love lemons. And Elizabeth Mott has really beautiful products, so I'm excited to see this. It's okay. It's soft pink, which at least it's not like a Barbie bubblegum pink. As excited as I am about the packaging, I don't know that I will use this, so I'm not gonna swatch it just yet. But it's cute and I love the packaging a lot. So that is our first thing. Next on top, these are gorgeous, is Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor, and it is a pair of earrings. Play It by Ear Hoop earrings with a retail of $32. Those are really, really pretty. I don't also typically wear like bigger hoop earrings, but I already have in mind who I want to gift these to, so it's okay with me. And there's no card anymore, and I got upset last month because I was like, where the hell is the card at? But you guys told me that they're sending them via email, so I will check, obviously, my email and put retail prices and everything for you guys. Oh, yeah, they did have brushes. I see a BoxyCharm palette, and I was like, wait, they have a brand, but I forgot they had them terrible brushes. So this says Hello Charmer, and it says Shimmer, Pressed Eyeshadow Ingredients, Matte Eyeshadow, and Glitters. So apparently there's all three in here. Let's open her up. That's really cute. It says Hello Charmer, and it's kind of got like the soft matte touch, and then this is kind of 3D and raised up a little bit. Oh, I'm shocked. It's really cute. I love that it folds all the way back. Oh my gosh, I can see so duochromes, everything in here. I'm really excited about this. Hopefully the quality is better than them brushes. Wink, wink. Ooh, I have to swatch one. This is full size. It's kind of grainy, but of course it's a glitter, but it's like a duochrome shift. Oh, it's like purple to oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm excited about this. Let me swatch one more. I like this Swipe Up, which is like a really pretty pink glitter. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm really excited for this. I'm already excited about this box. That is beautiful. Okay. All right, BoxyCharm. I'm looking for my freaking towel. I normally have it when I'm doing makeup applications. No. Okay, I'm excited about that. And you can obviously, I know a lot of people look at this. That's why I do my Wednesday Wow and Wearable. A lot of people are probably like, whoa, girl, no. But there's a ton of neutral shades in here too. So I feel like anybody could use this. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I'm probably going to do it in my next lunchtime quickie just because I want to see how it works. Next, I see a NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Low Rider. I already know and love this formula so much. It is one of the best matte lippy formulas I've ever used. Oh, that's a little too pink for me. I don't even think I'm going to open it because I can already tell it's pretty pink. And, you know, no offense to anyone that loves pink. It's just not my vibe. So I may look online and see kind of the swatch color, but I don't even want to open it and get it to the air if I know I'm not going to use it. Next up, I see a PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I'm also probably going to pass this along because I have a Clarisonic that I love, and then I purchased my son a Clarisonic from Mercari. It was clean, and I got a new brush head, okay, before y'all say anything. So, unless I feel like if I go online and see that this is something different from the Clarisonic, then I'm honestly probably going to give this away as well or sell it. But it's cool to have. So far, I've really loved everything in the box. It's just not things I always will use. Speaking of, this is the Boom Boom Cream. It's the regular one and the Copacabana in the small travel sizes. I actually already have some of the Coco Cabana ones, and I really enjoy that one. But I already have two, and this one I do not like. I do not like the scent of this one. So I may keep this one. Maybe not. I might also be selling these. And you guys, anytime that I have something that I'm getting rid of, I put some of my things in my giveaway, you know, little box that I have. I also, of course, have friends and family that I gift things to, and then I also put things on my Mercari. My Mercari link is always down below, and that is honestly, that's how I make money for our channel. If I did not have Mercari and did not sell products, I would not be able to also purchase and do things and, you know, buy newer products, so to speak. Next up is also something that I love. It is the Spongel. I've never tried the pear, but it is the Spongel Freesia Pear. And I really, really love these. I will say the very first couple of times, if you're unfamiliar with this, the first couple times you use it, it can be a little bit too hard and kind of scratchy. Just know that it does kind of soften up a little bit, but they last forever. They feel really nice. The scent is there, but it's more natural and it's not overpowering or fake, like weird candy, you know what I mean? So I'm happy to have that. And then I don't know what this is. Our last thing, as I knock everything off my shelf, is a Sutra mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. It's in yellow. Oh my God. I'm excited to see this. And I don't put a lot of heat to my hair. I mean, I already have a lot of wave, like a lot of wave in my hair, and I can wear it really curly if I want to. So, I mean, I don't always heat style. Plus, I color treat and it's dryer, so. Oh my God. Okay, I might actually have to keep this. That is adorable. And I like that it's like kind of like the old school barrel that has like the little handle and stuff on it. I like this a lot. So I may actually keep this. Even if I use it like twice a year, it's still hella cute. So that is everything in my box. I'm overall very, very pleased. I definitely feel like you got $50 worth. I'm sure this is probably worth the entirety of the box. And even though I don't know that I'm going to keep this unless it really does something different from my Clarisonic, or maybe ratings are higher or reviews are better, then I'm probably going to pass this along. I swear by my Clarisonic. I love it. The lippy, I absolutely love the formula. I love NARS lipsticks. I have two, and I would repurchase the ones that I have. They're phenomenal, phenomenal formula. I just don't do pinky pinks like that. The Spongel, I absolutely love. I love those a whole lot. This BoxyCharm palette, I am shocked, and I hope that it performs better than them brushes. But I'm really excited about this. It also says that they're cruelty-free, so I do definitely appreciate that. And I love that it's very neutral, but then they have different formulations in here, like different textures, but then you can also really like amp it up. And it could also be kind of springy too. So I think that's probably the idea they were going for. I love it. I love everything overall. There's just a few things that I know I maybe wouldn't use. The theme is on point. I love the yellow, the lemons, all that kind of stuff. So I'm very excited. Now I can go binge watch you guys, finally. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining me and for watching my unboxing today. If you have not already, I would love if you would subscribe. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here on the Tube of Views. And if you tap the notification bell, right down there, then you'll get notified anytime that I upload a new video. It is at least Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays of every single week. Sometimes you'll get to see my beautiful face a little bit more than that. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.